All right, good morning, children. Happy Friday to each and every one of you. Today is the 27th of March. Welcome to it. We are almost through our first week of distance learning, and I think it has been a pretty amazing success. So good job to us. Good job to me. I'll pat myself on the back a little bit. I've been very proud and impressed with all of us. It's been a cool experience, and I'm loving it. I kind of like to stay at home all the time, but I think that TUSD is going to make me show up at work if I want to get paid once this whole coronavirus thing is behind us. Anyway, good morning to you. My good things for today are working from home, homemade pizza, and spending time with my kids. I'm here in my bedroom. Mrs. Bruner is about to start riding her Peloton. She's very explicitly said to not put her on camera. You might have heard her laugh right there. But she's a good thing too. I'd like to share some of your good things that I've taken from the attendance sheets. Please remember to do that every day. That's how we're doing roll. You will be contacted by somebody from TUSD if you're not showing up for your classes. So we have a form where we're submitting names to Mrs. Wynn, Mrs. Smith, and Mrs. Spangler of kids who are not showing up. So make sure that's not you. Not that they're so much in trouble, but we want to make sure that, everybody's okay. And if you're not showing up, then, we're wondering. Anyway, some of the good things that I've heard from students are jelly bean suckers, chocolate pancakes, a lot of kids cooking, and I think that's cool, and eating delicious food. People are mentioning their pets a lot, right? Somebody said that their cat has become their best friend. That's really fun. People are doing board games and puzzles. I love that. A student completed a puzzle. Lots of people are wearing pajamas and commenting on that. McKenna Kloos is taking an online dance class. Good for you. And a lot of people mentioning that they're being healthy, which is the whole idea of this staying at home thing. So anyway, let's get down to work. This will be a short video today. If you look at our assignment guide here, I have it up at the top because I've added a link on this to my Google site, which I'm adding different things to all the time. I've put all these videos on there. I created a new page for my screencasts, and so if you miss any or want to look back on it, you can go there and see those, and there's other stuff that I've already shown you. So anyway, today is Friday. Here is our assignment guide for today. Today is the Reflect and Catch Up Day. So you'll notice here it says to finish any language, arts, or social studies assignments. I doubt that you have much of that left to do because the work has been pretty light this week. In coming weeks, that might not be the case. But anyway, that is one of the things you're doing on Fridays is finishing up anything that you haven't finished up so far. And in addition to that, we are starting 20% time. If you know what that means, then that should be familiar to you, but I've sent you or put a link to a video right here about what some other students have done for 20% time. I think it also has a short explanation of what 20% time is for those who are unaware. And I'd like you to start thinking, right? This is a reflection day, and that means to think. So I want you to ask yourself, how can I affect the world in a positive way? That's sort of the point of doing 20% time, or what I'd like the point to be. Think of something that you can do that not only teaches you new skills and yet that you learn from, but also benefits other people. And it doesn't have to be, I put, how can I affect the world in a positive way? You don't have to affect the whole world. It is just fine if you start off by affecting your family or the people who live near you or Orchard Hills as a school, right? So even though I put, can you affect the world, it's cool if you start small. That's about all I have for today. Please remember to do attendance, of course, and let me know if anything isn't okay. I can hook you up with help, or maybe I can help you if that is the case. But I'm very proud of you, proud of myself, proud of us as all of Orchard Hills, because I think we've kind of rocked this. So Have a great Friday and a great weekend. See you Monday. Goodbye.